minute since we unboxed a mystery bundle, but here we are again, and this time we are testing our luck with Holy Thrift. Right off the bat, this packaging, so nice. Anything with like branded logos, I'm totally obsessed with, and how bright red it is. Holy Thrift is a small business that I came across on Instagram, so let's first take a little deep dive into their profile and just who they are, and then we'll finally get to unboxing it. So the first thing I noticed when I opened up their IG is that they have over 45,000 followers. That is so freaking awesome. And the second thing I noticed is that in the highlights, they have a whole bunch of different small businesses. So this is where I got a little confused. I was just like, wait, is Holy Thrift a consignment? Are they all friends who just thrift and then consign these pieces together? Do they just sell them? I have no idea. So I had to reach out back to Jessica to just get a little bit more information, because in the highlights we have Broke Baddie, Carol Laney, Hazy Vintage, which I've actually seen on Depop. I've seen a bunch of their vintage denim on there. We have Jess Thrift It, which is Jessica who curated my bundle, and just a whole bunch of other girls. So this is what Jessica had to say. Holy Thrift is run by a group of girls. We all live in different parts of the states and world with our international girls. Most of us have met through the internet, but a lot of us got to meet in real life for the first time in New York over the summer. So no consignment, we all source our pieces from each stylist on the site. So I guess every stylist has their own little section. And then Jessica is the only one who's currently offering style bundles, so it's only curated by me, Jess Thrift It. So that does it for their IG. Let's jump onto their website, which is holythrift.com. They're currently having a winter sale. You can get 30% off at checkout. And let's see, as we scroll down, really fun because you can shop by aesthetic. So they have Y2K Princess, cult favorites, core. So you can shop by stylist, and this is everyone who is a part of Holy Thrift. The list is pretty long, but let's jump into Jess Thrift It. Immediately, I'm seeing some color, this asymmetrical whimsy embellished fairy dress. Super freaking cute. Bloquette core, totally here for it. But let's just look for these style bundles, so that way we can get more info on them and just actually read the description. So here we have her bundles. They're 5 pieces in total for $188. She offers sizes extra small to 2X. These images are super cute, and it's also by aesthetic, y'all. So she has the boho glam, cadet Cali, which I really like, gorp core, which I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea what that is. Fashion meets function, blending performance and style. Tech and nylon essentials. Okay, we have Tech Trek, Heritage Prep, Dark Academia, yeah, a whole bunch. But this is the one that I chose. We chose Pretty and Punk. And after you purchase, you do send in your measurements. So that's exactly what I did. I'm also on my period right now, so I'm hoping everything fits me, because I do go up like a good 1-2 sizes from all my bloating. And we might even get shoes, which in this box, I'm shaking it and I don't hear any shoes in here. For all I know, there could be like tiny little thin flats in here too. And it says that shipping takes around like 4 to 6 weeks. So just based off the Pretty and Punk image, it looks like we're gonna be seeing a colorway of red, black, and just like dark colors. Maybe a play on textures with the lace, the cutouts, even studs, and maybe metal accessories. So let's finally get her open. As far as packaging, this is probably the most secure and safest I've ever had a mystery bundle delivered. And this is coming all the way from Ohio. I'm in Los Angeles. So we have the poly mailer, and then inside, it's like a golden ticket. We have this golden cardboard box. I will give y'all the sneak peek. What is it? What is it? Ooh, okay, we have this like iridescent paper. The first thing we have is this card. I'm not sure if I should read this first. Maybe I will. Give me 1 second. It's super sweet because they have this personalized note that kind of explains why you have the certain pieces in your bundle. But I will just grab the first item, which is this here. I see some studs, I see black, I feel like I called it. Okay, we have some Beppe jeans, which is a brand that I really like to pick up at the thrift. Oh my goodness. We have this in black. We got the studs, the metallic foil wings on the front. It has a hood, so it'll be really good for layering, even putting this under a leather jacket. A little banded hem with the lace-up sides on both sides. Yes, this is cute. I feel like this is a piece to make me the perfect rock star girlfriend. Ooh, I see some leopard. What are you? Ooh, a good little classic eyeshadow leopard print top. It has a little, like, very exaggerated rounded neck. Love this because anything that shows off the collarbones, could be so sexy. I know not everyone is into 3/4 length sleeves. I personally love it. I think it just looks really feminine. This is screaming 90s, but honestly, I would just replace it with my top and my tie right now because I just have a black mini skirt. I have some black tights with some, look, I literally have my Parker boots right now. Tell me that isn't a fit. This is perfect. I'm trying not to look. I want to keep it as much of a surprise as possible. Y'all. I feel like this is so funny because, like, I feel like Jessica knows my style very well because I literally already own these. That is so funny. Okay, so we have this, like, medium wash pair of flare. Is it flare? I would say, yeah, flare, kick flare leg. And then we have these embellishments and cutouts all along the side. I love these. These are literally so cute. But what's so wild is that, look at this. We have tags still attached, brand new, never been worn. These are amazing. So pants for me are really tricky because your girl has some big hips. And these are a size 11, so I'm thinking these should fit. It looks like we have plenty of space in the hip, so I don't think these should be an issue. And then these are the brand Platinum Plush, which is another, I don't know if it's like a dead stock brand that I've heard of or that I've come across of, but I definitely own this brand right now. But I love that these are screaming Y2K and that they just have this really unique detail because it's so hard to come across these type of pieces in my thrift stores in my local area. Okay, I already saw this. Y'all, it came with a bag. Okay, personally, I'm not much of a bag person, but I'm happy that it's like, it's basic to me. Like, it's black, it's not like a crazy color. We have the dual handles, and this, oh, it's Guess. That is so adorable. Look at the silver hardware on here. So we have the hue G, I'm assuming, and then it also, what is this? Like ostrich leather? I'm not sure if it's real or not, but the top flap is like bumpy. And then the contrast stitching reminds me of True Religion jeans. The inside is a pretty awesome size. All I really need is like my phone and then a couple of dollars. Yes, she fits perfectly. We only have 3 things left in the box and one thing I see is a sticker. Y'all, I love receiving stickers from orders. Right now I'm putting any sticker that I get on this like really boring basic IKEA table that I have. And we got some accessories. While we're on the subject of accessories, let's talk about the necklace that I'm wearing right now. It's Ana Luisa. They're a sustainable jewelry brand and all the metals that they use are safe, hypoallergenic, but also tarnish resistant. And I can vouch for that because right now I'm wearing the Sia safety pin earrings. I literally wear them every single day to sleep, in the shower, and still absolutely no signs of wear or damage. Ana Luisa has her own in-house team of designers who've crafted everything you see on their website, one piece being the Danielle necklace. So I was lucky enough to work with them to create my own custom piece. It took a whole year in the making. I went through a whole bunch of meetings, mood boards, samples until we landed on this final design. So if you want to see the behind the scenes, I did film the entire creative process from start to finish. So I'll leave that link down below in the description. The Danielle necklace has 2 main features. The first one is a star pendant. That's like the big statement. The second one is the closure. It has a toggle closure because look at these nails. Ever since I fell in love with press-on nails and just length, it's been impossible to put on any jewelry that has a lobster clasp, so the toggle closure makes it super easy. The material itself is a brass base and then has 14 karat gold plating, and the overall length is 18 inches. March is gonna be the last month you'll ever be able to buy the Danielle necklace. We only have less than 70 necklaces in stock, so get them while supplies last, and they're even on sale right now. Final sale. But all of the Ana Luisa orders are delivered in 100% recycled cardboard and paper packaging. It even comes in a little Ana Luisa branded pouch that you can reuse as a coin purse or even to carry your credit cards. I know not everyone loves gold, so if you're just like, Danielle, where's the silver? Don't worry, they got plenty of options for you too. So a couple of my favorites, like I mentioned earlier, are the Sia safety pin earrings. They're very small, minimalistic, easy to sleep in, and if you do have multiple ear piercings, it's not too overwhelming. My second favorite is the Stephanie band ring. She's just so dainty, and honestly, I kind of replaced this with my actual wedding ring just because I feel like it's not even there and always matches my nail art. My third favorite is the Lisa twisted chain bracelet. Adds a perfect amount of of detail to any outfit, and I love that it has this cute little charm with an embellished heart. So Ana Luisa does have a sale going on right now. If you buy 2 items, you get 20% off. If you buy 3 items or more, you get 25% off. And so now's a good time to get the Danielle necklace. Again, it's final sale. We have less than 70 necklaces in stock, and it's only available this month until it's gone. So if you have purchased a Danielle necklace, thank you so much. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram so that way I can share you on my stories. But if you do need any styling inspo, I have plenty of videos on TikTok and Instagram. But a huge thank you to Ana Luisa for this awesome creative opportunity. Let's get back to unboxing Holy Thrift. So here we have our accessory in the cute little pouch. It looks like it's leather. What is this? Oh, it's a necklace. It's this like braided leather band, and then we have silver charms at the end with a toggle closure. Perfect. Absolutely love this. Honestly, a toggle closure is my favorite. Oh, she's so cute. So we have 2 charms. We have one heart that has this like twisted rope around it, and then this other one, if it'll flip, has cute little embellishments all over it. And then the last thing we have in the box is a canvas bag that says Holy Thrift on it. Wow, I've never seen a bag like this before. So we have dual handles, and then yeah, I saw the snap closure on the front. Oh my god, we can make sure it stays shut because it has a little snap button closure. That is adorable. This is gonna be my new movie theater bag. If y'all don't do this already, you should be bringing a blanket and your own snacks to the movies. It's time for the try-on portion to see how everything fits. And first up is the leopard print top. Y'all, I am obsessed. This is literally so cute, very feminine and modest surprisingly. And this neckline, perfect for necklaces. The contrast stitching on the bag brings the whole outfit together. Yes, so cute. Here's the second outfit. We have the top and we have the pants. Okay, let's talk about the top first though. Love it. Literally so obsessed. It just fits so good, super comfy. I love that it's a little bit longer so you can play around with styling too. I already know this is gonna be my new favorite shirt, so expect to see this all over social media, and I probably will be wearing this every day for the next week. Let's talk about pants though. And I do wanna just preface and say, pants are tricky. Everyone has different body types, and so my waist is a very straight size. It's a 28, but my hips are a 38. So the top, more of a medium. The bottom hip area, I'm more of a large, extra large. So it's really hard to find pants that truly fit me, but you can see that the hip area fits like a glove, fits perfectly. But we have this like crinkle area because the rise is a little too big for me. I did measure the pant waist and we're at a 32. Low-waisted, I'm more of a 29-30 waist. So I do really need to like pull them all the way up so I don't have that like crinkle area in the crotch that looks a little weird. Fortunately for me, the back doesn't look too bad. I'm also on my period, so I am pretty bloated, but with this, I will probably need around 2.5 to 3 inches taken from the back. I can take them to the tailor, get that done. Or another solution that I usually do when I thrift pants that are a little too big for me is to put on a belt and then toss a skirt over it. So now the skirt hides any unflattering bunching on the front and the back, but also hides the belt that holds the pants up. And everything looks pretty cohesive, still giving pretty and punk. And then luckily for me, the red plaid matches the red text on the tote. That pretty much does it for unboxing the $188 mystery bundle from Holy Thrift. So let's just do a little recap. I did receive 2 tops, 2 bags, a pair of pants, and a necklace. So if we do that math, let me pull up my calculator real quick. 188 divided by 6 items, we're looking at $31 per item. For the most part, I do think that's fair. I feel like this top, if it were to be resold, would be worth that much. The pants would probably resell for a higher amount just because they are pretty unique and they're dead stock, tags are still attached. Of course, the only thing that really sucked is if the pants didn't fit. They were a little bit big, but also, y'all, pants are just so tricky. I tend to avoid pants in my mystery bundles, and I usually go more with like a skirt or a dress, something that has a little bit more give and can easily fall on the body while looking flattering at the same time. And not to make excuses, but I don't feel like the size difference is that dramatic, so they still look good. I would probably save them more for when I'm on my period. They can be my go-to when I'm bloating like a crazy amount. And also, I've been thrifting my whole life. Like, it's not the first time I've come across a pair of jeans that fits me a little oversized, but I found ways to make it work. And some of y'all might be arguing that for $188, you shouldn't have to make an item work. It should just fit. So let me know all your thoughts and opinions down below in the comment section. And a huge thank you to Jessica for taking the time to create my bundle. So if there is an aesthetic that she offers that you totally want to try, I'll leave her website and her IG links down below in the description. If there's any other small businesses you want me to review and you've been like a little hesitant about buying, I will be your guinea pig, so just drop them down below and I'll start snooping around. But as always, y'all, I do post videos at least once a week. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!